Animals around us. Ponder a while. Have you ever seen animals moving in groups? Have you tried to go near some animals? Do animals have hair on their body? Have you ever thought that how do birds hear? Man lives in a society because most of his needs are fulfilled as a member of the group. He cannot live alone. He has to face many problems and dangers if he lives alone. The same case is with the animals too. Animals living in groups. Animals live in groups for several reasons, as for raising their young ones. There are some animals that like to be in groups to raise their young ones. The young ones being in groups learn how to behave with others, search food, rescue from enemies, etc. Elephants live in a group called herd. The oldest female in the herd leads the group and takes decision for the whole group comprising of 10 or more females and their calves. She also protects the herd members from enemies. A group of lions is called pride. A pride consists of 2 or more lions, several lionesses, and their cubs. In a pride, the lionesses hunt. An injured lioness who is unable to hunt lives on the meat brought by the other lionesses of the pride. For getting warmth. Some animals live in groups to get warmth from each other's body. They do so to get rid of cold. For example, penguins huddle together to keep themselves warm. For safety. Grazing animals live in groups to be safe from the wild animals. A group of zebras is called zeal. Deer also prefer to live in herd. In both the groups of zebra and deer, the eldest females lead the groups. They live in groups due to safety reasons. Otherwise, they would be easily attacked by wild animals like tiger, cheetah, lion, etc. A group of chimpanzees, gorillas, or monkeys is called a band. Chimpanzees live in a group of 15 to 80. When a wild animal like leopard approaches them, the male gorilla protects others by screaming, roaring, and beating its chest with hands. Animals living in colonies. Some animals live in colonies and work together. Honeybees and ants are such animals. Colonies of honeybees. Honeybees live in beehive. They live together in a big group called swarm. Beehive is a pouch-like structure in which thousands of worker bees, a few hundred male bees, and a queen bee live together. The bees collect nectar from the flowers and store it in the cells of the hive, which becomes honey after a few days. Did you know? Honey is collected from the beehives by honey collectors who light a fire below the hive. Bees are driven away by the smoke of the fire. The hive is removed and the honey is extracted from it. Colonies of ants. Ants live in ant hills. Like bees, ants also work collectively. The colonies of ants have the queen ants that lay eggs, many worker ants that take care of the eggs in special chambers in the ant hill, and few male ants. Behavioral patterns in animals. Different animals have different behavioral patterns which depend on many factors like surroundings, past experiences, behavior of people towards them, etc. Some of the behavioral patterns are shown below. Shy animals. There are some animals that are shy or run away when someone approaches them. They are scared of people because they are not familiar with them. For example, when we go near a tortoise, it immediately hides its head into its hard shell. Similarly, when we go near a squirrel, it runs away. Rabbits, monkeys, lizards, deer, mouse, etc. are some examples of shy